In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain on WordPress.com. This is a simple WordPress tutorial designed specifically for beginners, making it easy for you to enhance your website's identity and professionalism. Whether you're transitioning from a WordPress subdomain or just looking to personalize your web presence, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by visiting your WordPress.com dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage your site's content, design, and settings. Accessing your dashboard is straightforward. Simply log into your WordPress account and navigate to your site's dashboard from the menu. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in familiar territory with all your website tools at your fingertips. Next, where you want to head is over to the Upgrades section. This option can be found in the main menu. Click on it to see what's available. This section allows you to add features and functionalities to your website, elevating its capabilities beyond the basics. From the Upgrades menu, proceed by clicking on Domains. Here you'll manage domain settings and add new ones. This page will become your best friend as you customize your site's address to match your brand or business. Now we're going to add a new domain. Look for the button that says Add New Domain and give it a click. This action will initiate the process of entering your desired domain name. The screen will prompt you with a field to type in the custom domain you have in mind. Enter your chosen name to check its availability. Sometimes the perfect domain might be already taken, so don't be disheartened if that's the case. Fortunately, WordPress offers suggestions for alternative domain names if your first choice isn't available. Scroll through the list of suggested domains to find one that aligns with your brand's identity and is a good fit for your website. Once you've decided on a domain, it's time to purchase it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process. WordPress makes this step seamless with support for various payment methods, ensuring you can quickly secure your desired domain. Remember, owning a custom domain not only gives your website a professional touch, but it also makes it easier for your audience to find and remember your site. With the purchase complete, you can now add this domain to your WordPress site. This integration is key to making your custom domain live and synonymous with your web presence. Don't forget to test out your new domain by typing it into your browser, just to make sure everything's working perfectly. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive walkthrough on connecting a custom domain to your WordPress.com site. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new